Okay, everybody, so the other day I was talking a little bit about what we want to do with this house, and one of the key things that we want to do is create a better use of that upstairs room. So the upstairs bedroom, this is a bungalow style house, the upstairs bedroom runs about 33 feet long. It's enormous. But the stairs to it are on the other side of this wall and they enter into the kitchen. That really doesn't make for a very functional space, and it takes away from the functional use of the kitchen. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to open the wall up here. This will all come out, okay, bring this down, we'll run a new set of treads down. The one thing we do have to address is the pitch. We have to make sure that, of course, we're at code. So one of the things we're looking at is how we can potentially use the cavity of space over here. Maybe creating a landing upstairs so that we have the landing comes up, turn, go up, hits a landing, and then you're into that bedroom space. So, demo day one, let's see what happens. Okay guys, so you can see behind me that I've done the demo on the wall. And you can also see how that has that kind of quarter turning at the bottom there. Because the other side, that emptied out into the kitchen before. That's what we're going to change. So instead of when you're coming down and going into the kitchen, you'll come down and come here into the dining room. And this is still going to be a very functional area. It's got plenty of space. It's a large dining room to begin with. But what we'll be able to do now is create that stairway that comes down with a new landing. And that'll make it a much easier access going up. We are probably going to have to make some changes in the way those risers are set up, but that's okay, because now that we can see what we have here, it's going to be a lot easier to work with, of course, but we can also see, maybe we got to shift things back some. What you can't see is behind that space that I didn't finish pulling down, there's a cavity back there. It goes up a little bit higher, so technically, we could actually come over and create a small landing up top if we have to. And that's going to give us some room right in here in order to make this a better room, a better access to that upstairs. And that's going to make it an overall more appealing house. The kitchen will have more workable space then, because now you can use all the walls, not try and dodge around a doorway. So, it is humid as hell today. I am drenched with sweat, and I've got to go demo now in the living room to open up what we're going to do over in there. So, just a little bit of a preview of what we're doing here down here. It's going to be a great project. I'll see you guys.